They ran off, left everything behind them. They went to that place where their beloved was waiting beside the Yamuna. None of the gopis knew that the other gopis were running. And each gopi was running so quickly that her earrings were swinging back and forth. This idea that's represented here, the Brajastriya Krishna Grihita Manasa, last point of Grihita Manasa. Acharyas say that this is the symbol of real Vairagya, the highest expression of detachment, where Vairagya is only possible in divine love. Vairagya means to give up everything, detachment, renunciation, abandon everything, leave everything behind. Vairagya. Virag, no color, no attachment. Rag means color. Rag means attachment. So virag means that the heart of the man or woman, generally men become vairagis. The heart is no longer colored, rag, with rag, attachment to body, family, name, fame, position, prestige, social duties, social responsibilities, and ashram duties or responsibilities. True Vairagya